Most affiliates spend all of their time promoting links that they don't control, and that's okay when you're getting started. Check this out. Inside my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap, follow my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer and add people to an email list. Today we're talking about offer. You have traffic coming up to a super simple lead magnet. This is where you, as an affiliate, live to promote, or your life when you first get started out as an affiliate or trying to make money online is just promoting offers that you don't control. It's someone else's offer. Now, you can come over here and create a bonus. You also have the next step, or step 6 inside of offers, is more offers, or this can become your offers. And the key to that is combining two powerful tools. The tool number one is AI. Artificial intelligence is very powerful, but if you don't have a structure or an idea of what you want to create as your offer, then you can get PLR, or you can purchase content, a license for a piece of content that someone else has created. Let me give you an example. Like I was saying, we'll wipe off this screen here in the 9-step roadmap. We have traffic to an offer and we want to add people to an email list. Our ultimate goal is to build an email list, automate passive income, and profit and scale our business. And we're doing that down here at step number 6. And we're saying, okay, we need more offers. And really, I want more offers to be my offers, something that I own, because I'm ready to go to that next level and really start getting serious about this as a business. Of course, we're not scrapping affiliate marketing. We're just saying, let's control this a little more and have something of my own to offer people that I have added to my email list. So let's say your topic is something around AI side hustles. Here's a piece of PLR. There's a link in the description and you can check this out. It is a complete package with full PLR, private label rights. It's a license to purchase this AI side hustle blueprint, 100 simple ways to earn online. So you could check this out. It's a PDF and it is just really just a listicle of 100 ideas, but it's put together really well. It's researched. It comes with an introduction and then it breaks down who this book is for, so you know exactly who to market it to, or what type of content to create and for whom. And then you come down here and you get into the actual side hustle and it's telling you how to start, and it's giving you recommended tools, and it's explaining what the side hustle is. So we take this product and we buy the rights to resell this or use it as our own, but it's overwhelming. 100 simple ways to earn online. So what we can do is we can go to AI and we can use what I call in my prompt psyops philosophy, or inside of my prompt psyops frameworks, I have a strip and flip framework that will create a new product. In this case, I have stripped and flipped this PDF that I purchased here. I purchased the rights to strip this down and flip it into my own product. And AI is going to do that for me. And now I have a product called the AI Income Architect, a 7-day blueprint to build your first profitable AI side hustle, a hyper-focused micro course and toolkit for beginners to launch one income generating AI project in 7 days. But check this out. Check this out here. I'm also creating my own lead magnet. So we go back and we look at the plan. The plan, the 9-step roadmap, is to generate traffic to an offer with a super simple lead magnet to put people on to an email list. Proven top strategy, traffic to an offer, people to an email list to build that email list. So we take that PLR, we create a super simple lead magnet, and then we create more offers. We create our own offers. We go from more offers to your offers. We can go ahead and add the bonus as well. Just because it's your own offer doesn't mean you can't add a bonus, or you could just use this content as a bonus. So you could purchase this complete package with full PLR rights, and there's a link in the description. And then you get this PDF and you break it down and you have a product and a lead magnet of your own. And basically the idea here is a 5-step process. Step 1, strip the surface. Step 2, find the angle. Step 3, flip the framework. Step 4, personalize with psyops. That's the prompt psyops philosophy. And then step 5, stack and scale with your own lead magnet and your own product, as well as a 5-day email sequence using the strip and flip framework for this product right here. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this bonus page. Because you're ready to shortcut hundreds of hours of painstaking research and development, you're going to purchase a license to this content. 100 done for you, or 100 simple ways to earn online using AI as a side hustle. So check this out. It's got all the information about the product. You just scroll down here, you click this green button right here, and then what will happen is you will be delivered the product as well as my prompt psyops strip and flip framework with a few videos, or two videos, where I walk you through and I show you exactly what happened, how I took this PDF that you see right here, how I took this PDF, this strip and flip framework that you see right here, the 5-step strip and flip framework, and I turned it into, or I let AI turn it into, my own product and my own lead magnet. All right. So essentially what we're doing here is we are buying the license to this PDF. We are then stripping it and flipping it into a lead magnet. And then that lead magnet will lead people to a new product. Of course, when people sign up to our lead magnet, then they'll go on our email list. We will build out email sequences, and then we will direct them to our new product. And then we have essentially done what we're doing here. In the beginning, like I said, we start with traffic as an affiliate, and we pick an offer with a super simple squeeze page, and we're just promoting someone else's offer. We're just promoting their links. We're not really building our business as effectively as we can. When we get up here and we start building that email list as an affiliate, then we generate some passive income. Now we're ready for that next level to profit and scale. More offers are going to become your offers. We come and we look at this and we say, okay, let's take this PDF, create a lead magnet, build an email list, and send them to a new product that is our own. Of course, we did that here, and we created the AI Income Architect as well as the AI Hustle Quick Start Pack. But you can see here, once you build that one and you have that lead magnet and that product, and this is just the copy and paste from ChatGPT over to a Google Doc, which I give you in my bonus as well, we take that to the next level and we say, hey, how about we try this again and strip it and flip it with a little more focus, and understand that I want to talk about using AI to build an email empire. And we create a new product called the AI Email Empire. And down here, then we have a new core offer. We have some tools and formats. We have some price points. This is all coming from the prompt psyops philosophy inside of the strip and flip framework. And now we have a new lead magnet, a freebie that we're going to give away, the AI Email Jumpstart Kit. And then we're going to keep scrolling down, and you're going to see the next option here is to build out that lead magnet, build out the sales page copy, build out the email sequence. But we've stripped and flipped to come up with a completely new product, the product being the AI Email Empire Bundle, as well as the lead magnet, which is the freebie we're going to give away to build our list, going back to the strategy, the proven top strategy, and the 9 steps that we know we need to cover, because we need to generate traffic to an offer, a super simple lead magnet, and we're going to get away from promoting offers that we don't control, to thinking about using this licensed content to create bonuses as an affiliate in the beginning, but then come over here. Yeah, we want to find more affiliate offers, but we want to think about the next level where these more offers become your offers. And those folks, those people that you're adding to an email list to build that out, automating that, and then you profit and scale. You come back and you say, okay, I license something like this, a complete package, a complete product, and then I strip it and flip it with the prompt psyop strip and flip framework, right? Take that PLR, that content that we've licensed, and run it through the strip and flip framework. And you can see here that AI is going to deliver you a final product as well as a lead magnet. There is a link in the description. It'll take you over. And if you're ready to shortcut hundreds of hours of painstaking research and development, then move towards this idea and this concept, this philosophy, with the focus on building your own product to build out and start generating leads, as well as selling your own product. But of course, don't forget that those affiliate offers, we don't need to just get rid of them. We just need to think about what's next. All right. Next, click the link in the description, head over, check out the bonus page, grab that PLR, get my bonus where I show you exactly how to strip and flip this content. And then of course, you can do it for any other content that you go ahead and you buy that license for. You just pop it into AI, PLR plus AI, the dynamic duo, link in the description. Check out this PLR. Get my bonus that shows you exactly how to make this happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.